own auto addiction. Alright, so here's the update on the vehicles. Hopefully you guys can hear me. It's kind of windy in the shop. I got all the fans on because it's hot as a dog down here in Florida. So if you're heading down here for Daytona truck meet, let me just tell you, dude, it's been like 90, 100 degrees, high humidity. So make sure you bring plenty of water, some shade canopies, just a couple things to keep you cool, man, because it's hot. So down here working on the van. I don't know, man, the F250 project, it's going, buddies, but kind of getting discouraged. I was supposed to have my wheels on already. I was supposed to have my lift on already, and it's just not panning out. My lift was supposed to be here Tuesday. I'm filming this. I'll probably air Friday, Saturday-ish, so 4 or 5 days before Daytona truck meet, and still no lift. So if I don't have a lift, I can't run my wheels and tires. I'm going through a hard time with my tires right now. So yeah, good times. So tonight we're kind of painting the inside of the fender wells, painting the frame, making sure it's all nice looking for whenever I do put the lift on and get it lifted up. Gonna mess with some more stuff. Just wanted to give you guys an update on the truck. I do have it back. I took it over to the paint shop. Let's see, I took it over to the paint shop Tuesday. I just got it back today, and you know, they did some buffing and cutting on it. Still needs to get polished, and then we'll go from there. But she's looking pretty good. If you guys are just seeing this video for the first time, 97 F250, 460 big block, 4-wheel drive. Of course, I'll show you some underneaths whenever I get some more stuff done on it. But she's getting there. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll do a plug right here in the video. If you guys want to comment below, guess the wheel and tire setup that I'm putting on it. Nobody really knows yet. There's a couple people that I personally know that know the wheels and tires and have seen them already. But I haven't showed you guys yet because I want to kind of keep it a surprise. So guys, please hit that subscribe button, comment below. I'm going to plug that in right here. Alright, so plug that in for you. Take a guess. Yes, they're hostile wheels. So guess the size of the wheels. And guess what tires I'm running on it from the pick. And then we'll go from there. But I'm trying to get rid of these 18-inch wheels. If anybody's interested in these, you can DM me on Instagram and Auto Addiction on Instagram. They're like 18 by 9, maybe 10s. They have a real inward offset on them. I bought these back when I originally bought the truck. They got Nitto Terra grapplers on there. The tires are about 7 years old, but they still got a ton of tread. They're starting to get just a little bit of cracking in them, but no cracking on the sidewall. 8 on 6.5 lug, of course. So hit me up if you're interested in those. I mean, probably let them go for like $600-700 bucks, so not very much. So just hit me up, we'll go from there. So I got some stereo stuff still to do, my lift stuff still to do. Man, I'm gonna be crunching this all night for the next 4 or 5 nights, trying to get it done so y'all can see it in Daytona. I appreciate everybody's support. We're way over 800 subscribers now, trying to get to that 1K mark. So share it with your friends, hit that subscribe button. The van, going pretty good. I got this weird noise only when it's super hot, and but whatever, clean it up. She's 23 years old, so I'm actually, if you guys are checking in on the van, it's a 96 E150. I got it lifted probably about 2 inches. Got like 32-inch tires on it, so pretty fun ride. I got train horns on it. I was thinking about selling it. You guys comment below, let me know if you think I should sell it or not. Bam, there's a sticker on the side. If you see that in Daytona, swing by and say what's up. The pledge on the back. So we got a bunch of stuff to do to this still too, and that. So putting in the late night work. Man, it seems like it never ends. So hear that fan over there, that thing is noisy. probably from like 1965. Nobody wants to upgrade no fans. Alright guys, so I'm going to get back to work. I just wanted to give you guys an update video because I know y'all been wondering what's going on with the truck. And man, I tell you, it's been stressful because I work full time, I got 4 kids, and I only come up here at 10, 11 o'clock at night. After everybody goes to bed, I come up here and work on the truck. Work at the truck till 1, 2 in the morning. Back up, go to work at 7 a.m. So it's going to be a rough couple of days. I know a couple other people are trying to get their builds done too, so hey man, if you got a build and you're passionate about it, you know, you got to work for it. So kind of sucks, you know, but hey man, nobody's going to do it for me, so I got to get it done. So I'll see y'all in Daytona. I'll probably do another video before we hit the Daytona. Once the truck's lifted, I pray that I get my lift this weekend so I can get it done the weekend before Daytona. Drive it a little bit. I got a bunch of services to do on it before then, so I want to make sure it's good. Got the AC fixed the other day, so didn't do a video on that. All we did was replace the AC compressor in the dryer. It was leaking Freon. So alright guys, y'all have a great rest of the week. Enjoy this video. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. And I wanted to give a big shout out to one of my buddies, Anonymous. I want to keep him anonymous, he knows who he is, but we have a sponsor for the truck, and he sponsored it, sent me some money, said, man, you've been through some stuff. If you guys haven't known, April 1st, my water broke at my house, line underneath the slab, so I had to rip out a kitchen, I had to rip out a bathroom, so I've been going through all that, and trying to get my truck done, and handling kids, and work. So he said, hey man, I want to let you know you're a hard worker. Here's some money towards your truck. So we got an anonymous sponsor, and I really appreciate it, and I wanted to give him a shout out on this video. So thank you so much, because that's definitely going to help out. It's been a long road this last couple months, so I'm going to get the truck going, and that's why I'm here. I'm here at night. I don't even know what time it is. I'm trying to get the truck done. So, you know, appreciate it. If you guys want something bad enough, so go out there and work for it and get it done. So appreciate it guys. See you guys on the next video. Peace.